To link your account, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the website. From there, click on the Login and Register option to either create a new account or log in to an existing one. Fill out the required email or username and password information. Once logged in, access the support center for further guidance. The setup process involves setting up the account, switching to the relevant section, and selecting the preferred verification method, either SMS or call. Choose the account as the payout method and set the preferred currency. A link will be sent to the registered email address, which must be clicked to sign up or log in and connect the account. This connection is necessary to set up both accounts. For additional information, refer to the frequently asked questions or important details about the account setup. Following these steps will complete the setup process.